Hey y'all, Kentucky Farmer here, and today we are back on our Westbridge Hills map in my test game for the 8th video about Courseplay. In this video we're going to talk about the basics of fieldwork mode. If you're new to Courseplay and you missed the first 7 videos, you might want to go back and start from the beginning. There's a link in the description to my Courseplay tutorial playlist. In the last few videos we've been using various Courseplay modes to transport grain from this field to our farm as it was being harvested by hired workers. Now that the harvest is over, we've got a field full of straw, but because the windrows were put down by combines running as hired workers, we can't accurately predict the course for our loading wagons or balers. So we're going to set up a fieldwork course to rake this field. We'll then be able to use the same course in our next video when we then use a loading wagon with an additional unloading course to take the straw to the sale point back at our main farm. I'll hop into this tractor here and set up the course, and once the course is running I'll fast forward the video. Alright, so the field that we're about to rake here is field 15, and if you look at the map, we're starting at the northwest corner. So this is north, west, south, east. So this is the northwest corner of field 15. So we're going to select fieldwork mode, and then once this mode is selected, we can come up here to course generation. We're going to select field 15. And then we are going to let Courseplay auto-calculate the width of our implement. It says it's 19.4 meters. We're going to go ahead and just dial that down and then back up to an even 19. Alright, once you zero it out, you can then do whole numbers. See, once you get this high, it only goes in half-tick increments. There we go, so we got 19 meters, and we're starting at the northwest corner, and we're going to head south, and we do not need it to return to the first point, so I'm not going to worry about that, and we're not going to make a headland. Actually, I take that back. Because we're going to reuse this course for the unloading course, we do want it to return to the first point, so we're going to activate that. We're going to generate this course. And as you can see, we've now got our start marker right up here in front of us. And before I forget, I'm going to go ahead and save this course as rake 19M. And then we're going to move that course into our field 15 folder. We're going to tell it we want to start at the first waypoint, and then we will drive course. I went ahead and folded up the rake because Courseplay will automatically fold your implement until it gets to the start point, at which point it will then unfold the implement before driving the course. So drive course. So it'll automatically come over here and get lined up. It'll stop at the edge of the field, unfold the implement. Turn on the implement and then lower it, and begin driving the course. At this point, the driving is completely automated. I'll go ahead and fast forward and we can watch this field get raked. If you notice there at the end of the row, Courseplay did automatically pick up the implement before initiating the turn. Before it starts this row, it'll drop the implement, and then it'll begin raking again. Alright, it looks like we've finished our raking. The tractor's folding up the implement, and it'll head back over here to our start point. If you notice, it's a little rough on the headlands here. A lot of times after I have Courseplay run over, I'll come back after the loading wagon's done with its initial coverage of the field, re-rake this, and then pick up the windrow from the headlands. Alright, so we've got our notification that the fast track has finished work. We can come in here and we can stop the driver, clear a course, and drive it off the field. Okay, so that concludes the 8th video in my Courseplay series. In the next video in this series, I'll cover how to use a 2-part fieldwork mode course with a loading wagon to pick up the straw that we just raked. If you're interested in trying out Courseplay, I'll put a link in the description below to the mod website. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them below. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, be sure to click the like button and subscribe for more Farming Simulator videos. I'm Kentucky Farmer. Thanks for watching.